So welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can solve app blocked to protect your device. Recently in the morning I've downloaded an application called MT Manager from up to down, and when I tried to install it, this is the information I'm getting. I'm trying to install it, but they are telling me that the app is blocked to protect my device. Yet I want the application because at the Google Play Store they are just selling it. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can solve up this problem. So I'm going to press go to this button, and then I'm going to press done, and after pressing done I'm going to press back, and then I'm going to open the Google Play Store application on my device, this one. And then after opening that, let me show you. I'm going to open the Google Play Store on my device, and then I'm going to go here up, and I'm going to go where we have the Play Protect, and then I'm going to go. I'm seeing such an interface. I'm going to come. Let me show you guys. I'm going to come right there, and then I will come and disable these two. I'm going to disable them, and then after disabling them I'm going to turn them off. Turn off. I'm going to verify with my fingerprint, or let me use a fingerprint. Okay, then you can use your password, your phone's password. Then I'm going to go back to the Google Chrome and I retry installing my application, and then this is what I will be seeing. I'm going to wait for a few moments. I'm going to see that the application is going to be installed successfully on my device. Wait for a few moments and we'll see whether it has worked. Thank you guys for following. I sign out. It has worked.